In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a lead in Pipedrive in 3 minutes. Let's get straight to it. A lead in Pipedrive is a potential opportunity that isn't fully qualified yet. Keeping leads separate from deals helps you organize prospects without cluttering your pipeline. With that in mind, start by opening your Pipedrive workspace and looking to the left-hand sidebar. Find the section labeled Leads and click it. This opens the area dedicated to early-stage prospects. Next, click on Leads Inbox. Think of the inbox as your staging area where new leads live until you're ready to advance them. Once you're in the Leads inbox, it's time to create a new lead. At the top left of this page, you'll see a plus icon designed specifically for adding leads. Click that plus icon to bring up the new lead form. This is where you'll capture the essentials so your team can follow up confidently. In the form, enter the details of the lead. Give it a clear, descriptive title that makes it obvious what the lead is about, such as the company and the specific interest or product. Add the person's name and, if relevant, the organization they represent. Include reliable contact information, like an email address or phone number, and make sure it's accurate so future outreach is smooth. If you have an owner field, assign the lead to yourself or the right teammate to ensure accountability. You can also choose a label or status if your account uses them, which makes sorting and prioritizing easier later. If there's a section for notes, jot down any useful context, such as where the lead came from, what they asked about, or timing expectations. The more precise you are now, the less back and forth you'll need later. Avoid entering any sensitive or confidential information. Keep it to business-relevant details only. When everything looks good, click. Save. That's it. Your new lead is now stored in the Leads inbox and ready for future action. You'll see it listed alongside your other prospects, and it will carry all the information you just entered. From here, you can open it anytime to review details, add follow-up notes, or move it forward when it becomes a qualified deal. To recap, you went to the Leads section on the left sidebar, opened the Leads inbox, clicked the plus icon to create a new lead, filled in the important details, and hit save. Simple, fast, and organized. Thanks for watching, and happy prospecting in Pipedrive.